Yeah. It's White Boy. Lately I was approached by my new Facebook friend Kylie to do a little something for her and her daughter. So that's all I've been doing. I've been thinking about really, you know. So that's why you wanna know why I've been thinking about y'all, is because I had to write this song and I wanted to get it done, you know. I know a chick from the wick who wanna make a switch and fix things in her life so it seems legit. The poor thing was sick, like totally depressed. She told me postpartum had her feeling overly stressed. She's now totally messed like the States East Coast. Mistakes were made, but it's okay, she knows she chose to turn it all around for her daughter Tori Lynn. Instead of falling down, she ain't stalling now. She got a mission at hand, and the mission is to do anything that she can. She would even move a mountain if she had to, man, to share a story with little Miss Tori again. I'm so sorry, my friend, that you're going through this. I wish you and your family could have lived in bliss without a care in the world like the so-called rich, cause y'all deserve to be together full of happiness. I've been Hey yo, I can relate to the way you live your life with no dad. It's so sad that you've been through what I have, cause my dad left me at the age of 9 and he never came back, must have made up his mind. That's why I'm praying the time your daughter meets her pops and doesn't end up like us with these painful thoughts, cause you can change the plot before it starts to thicken and give your daughter everything that you thought was missing. It's a thought, so listen, make the right decision and keep your head up. Even if you fight the system tonight, I'm wishing you could have lived in bliss without a care in the world like the so-called rich, cause y'all deserve to be together full of happiness. Enough pain, soon you and her will laugh at this, because your life's now totally fabulous. But until then, I know she'll be sadly missed.